Struggling to fit all your gear into your truck? Say goodbye to cramped spaces and hello to a world of organized, accessible storage solutions. First up, the game changer, a roof rack. Not just for looks, this versatile accessory is perfect for oversized items like bicycles and kayaks. With easy installation, minimal fuel impact, and a boost to your truck's functionality, it's a no-brainer for the adventurous soul. Next, extend your possibilities with a bed extender. Tailor-made for those extra-long items, it's the ultimate add-on for hauling everything from lumber to surfboards, ensuring your cargo is secure and your truck remains versatile. Don't overlook the hidden gem beneath your seats. Underseat storage compartments are the secret agents of truck organization, providing a discreet yet accessible spot for tools and emergency gear, all while keeping your truck's interior sleek and tidy. For the meticulous organizer, a heavy-duty toolbox is the fortress your tools deserve. Weather-resistant and theft-deterrent, these boxes are the guardians of your gear, whether mounted in the bed or behind the rear seat. Finally, for the ultimate in flexibility, a cargo management system is your modular marvel. With sliding trays, dividers, and tie-downs, it's the Swiss Army knife of truck storage, ensuring every item has its place. With these innovative solutions, every journey in your truck becomes a masterclass in efficiency and enjoyment. Happy hauling!